Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. Now, the JOA has announced a $25 million sponsorship towards the Reggae Girlz journey to the Olympic Games in Paris, France 2024. It includes bonuses to players for goals scored, assists and clean sheets. A further bonus will be awarded should they advance to the Olympic Games. And we'll have more details on this story in a Primetime Sports Monday. Now, there is only one game scheduled for today's Issa da Costa Cup, with Zone I leaders Anoto Bay journeying to the Highgate Community Centre for a clash with St Mary High. Anoto Bay are 2 from 2 to start the competition, while St Mary High have a win and a defeat. The match will kick off at 3:30. Two-time 200-metre world champion Shericka Jackson says despite her success this year, she has unfinished business in both the 100 and 200 metres next season. Jackson blazed her way to a national record 21.41 seconds to retain her 200-metre title in Budapest this past summer. But subsequent to that, she logged times of 21.48 and 21.57 to close out her season in the event. The 29-year-old in consecutive World Championships finished second in the 100 metres, but copped the Diamond Trophy on Saturday in Eugene, Oregon. However, the MVP Track Club-based sprinter has set herself even loftier goals for next season.
I want to achieve so much. You know, one of my goals this year was to run 10.5 right after the Jamaica trials. I did not achieve that. I wanted to break the world record. I did not achieve that. So, Coach and I will go back to the drawing board. As I said, it's not to. We have been doing so well this season. We have done great this season. We just want to go back to the drawing board. I know next year is Olympic year, but it's going to be something special. And I just want to enjoy this. Finish this and just enjoy, and then we go back right to the drawing board.
Jamaica Tallows Vice Captain Imad Wazim says even after the franchise lost 5 games on the trot, there was no panic ahead of their last 2 games in the first round of the Caribbean Premier League. The Tallows thumped the St Lucia Kings by 122 runs in Sunday's final group clash to confirm their spot in the playoffs, to follow up their 59-run win over the St Kitts and Nevis Patriots on Saturday. Sunday's victory was built around a majestic 119 from Alex Hales to go with 4 for 15 from Chris Green, as the Kings were bundled out for 79 in pursuit of an imposing 202.
I always say you peak at the right time. You should peak as a team at the right time. These 2 games, it was our must-win games, and we wanted to peak. We wanted to win convincingly, both of them, so then we could get momentum. So we got the momentum, that's what we wanted. Top order is firing now, middle order is always firing whole tournament, spinners are bowling well, and obviously Amir and Springer's bowling really, really well.
Now, a maiden T20 century from Shea Hope carried the Guyana Amazon Warriors to a resounding 88-run win over the Barbados Royals to complete the league stage of the Caribbean Premier League on Sunday at the Providence Stadium in Guyana. Hope hit 9 fours and 8 sixes on his way to a top score of 106 from just 44 balls, as the Warriors, batting first, posted 226 for 7. Kevlin Anderson, on debut, supported with 47, while Jamaican Nadine Smith got 21. Obed McCoy and Carlos Brathwaite ended with 2 wickets each. In their chase, the Royals never got going, losing their first 5 wickets for just 49 runs. It took an unbeaten maiden half-century from Rivaldo Clark, who made 54, and Brathwaite 18 not out for the Royals to get to 136 for 6 at the end of 20 overs. Imran Tahir was again superb with 3 for 23, while Gudakesh Moti took 2 for 11. They'll take on the Trinbago Knight Riders in the first qualifier on Wednesday. The winners head to Sunday's final. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. Oshane?
Thanks, Jordan. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.